In light of today's indictments, advocates and an attorney for some of those shot with less lethal ammunition say this is a step toward justice. KVUE's Mike Marut joins us now live from the Travis County Jail. And Mike, they told you they hope these indictments will bring about some changes within APD.
That's right, Quita. The attorney that I talked with today represents 4 of the people who were shot with those less lethal rounds back in those protests. He said that he is reassured for his clients this afternoon after those indictments were announced. But he says, however, we are still a long way from this being over. More than a year and a half after protesters took to the streets of Austin, 19 Austin police officers indicted on charges related to how the protests were handled.
What do I hope comes out of this process? That there is a sea change in the way officers are trained to serve and protect the citizenry of Austin, Texas.
Attorney Scott Hendler represents 4 of the people shot by APD's less lethal rounds during the 2020 protests.
They shattered skulls, they broke jaws, they shattered orbital bones around one of our clients' eyes. There seems to be some measure of accountability.
The Austin Justice Coalition, which helped organize some of those protests, agrees, but staff members say they're still holding their breath.
It's still hardly a moment to celebrate.
AJC's organizing director, João Paulo Connolly, says there won't be much to celebrate until systemic change happens. And these indictments, while he says they help the organization's cause, are just the tip of the iceberg.
This is just a sober reminder that we have a lot of work still to be done.
Now, another development related to these protests today. Austin City Council announced that they will be paying out about $10 million to 2 of those protesters who were injured in settlements after they were shot with beanbag rounds. Justin Howell suffered a skull fracture and brain damage as a result of being hit with a beanbag round. He will get $8 million. Anthony Evans, who was hit in the jaw with one of those rounds, will get $2 million. In response to the settlement, Chief Joseph Chacon issued a statement reading in part, quote, "When APD responded that day, our goal was to protect people gathering to exercise their right to protest, as we have safely done for many years. We did not anticipate the injuries that occurred from the use of those less lethal rounds. We now prohibit the use of less lethal rounds for crowd control." Now, this is the largest settlement in use of force cases involving Austin Police Department and the city of Austin. But the city and APD do still face many other lawsuits in relation to these protests and the use of those beanbag rounds. Brian, Quita.
It's KVUE's Mike Marut live for us in downtown tonight. Mike, thanks.